What's up, everybody? Ian here with Miller Garage. So we have this Airstream project going on. We have a Land Rover project going on. We got a 79 Ford pickup project. And currently coming down the driveway, not the driveway, but the street. It's not quite to the driveway yet. We have another project coming. It's becoming a bit of a full house. So, I can see it coming. We'll flip the camera around and see if we can't see what we have inbound. That's right. We have a second Airstream project coming. What do you know? Alright, I go out there and tell them what to do. So Airstream number 2 has arrived. Last night when it showed up, the sun was already setting, so we weren't able to continue filming and stuff. But it is here, and so we're going to kind of do a little walk around, check it out, and I don't know everything I'm doing to it quite yet because Mark, who's the owner, he has some other stuff that he wants me to do, so he's going to come over here in a little, not in a little bit today, but in the future, and we're going to go over everything and kind of figure out for sure everything we're doing. I do know that we are going to polish it, so we're going to be stripping the clear coat and polishing it. I already rebuilt his windows, so that's all good. There's other little detail stuff, like we got to shave all the Olympic rivets here, and we're going to do try to see if we can fix the awning and put the other one of those aluminum segments on it. The shop that installed that said that it was messed up and they couldn't do it. We're going to see if we can solve that problem, and just some other stuff. So this is Airstream number 2, and it is going to get some of the Miller Garage work. Hey, look, Texas A&M. Cool, that's in Texas. I have no loyalties to school, so. But there's that one. And also, I wanted to just kind of do a little shop tour. I am in no way organized or set up yet, but still wanted to just kind of walk around and go over everything we currently have going on, and talk about some of our future plans and just what the shop's going to look like and some of the awesome things that I want to do. So, behind me is a giant sheet of aluminum. That's going to be going in the salon Airstream. I'm starting to work on the walls in that. And then obviously we have the Land Rover. And the car was full, so the recording stopped, so I had to clear that. But we're back. So the Land Rover, I've already started to tear apart the front a little bit, as you can see. Well, here we have one of the fenders off, get the hood off. We got all of the roof and the windows and all that kind of stuff off, except for the windscreen. So, all right, moving on. We have a giant pile of boxes and stuff that I haven't unpacked that all needs to be organized. We got my tool cart. I'm going to be getting a new, bigger one as well to go along with that. And and we have the welder, all the stuff I need to get set up and organized. I'm gonna clean out this area, and this is probably where like my tools and the carts are gonna go. There's gonna be some storage shelves over here, and all of that. We got a big deep freeze for hopefully like a cow to go in at some point. And then coming around back, I put a little workbench over here, and this is going to be for whenever I'm, polishing and stuff. I'm going to have that buffer on there so I can polish smaller parts and like window frames and stuff like that. I kind of have that set up, and it's going to be set to where I can just open the back and it'll blow the dust out the back. And then back over here, we have the bathroom area, which we have this incredibly disgusting toilet and equally disgusting sink. And moving along over here, Behind me, we have a brand new 80-gallon air compressor that actually just showed up a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna have to get that wired up and hooked up and all of that. And that's gonna be living over here. It's gonna be right by the power, so it doesn't have to run very far for that, because the further it has to run, then the more, obviously, amperage voltage drop you have, which could be problematic. So then I got my workbench over here, just the wooden one. I'm trying to figure out, I want to have like a woodworking area for like doing carpentry stuff. I'm not super, skilled in that yet, but I want to get better and learn. So it's either going to be on the other side. It's more than likely going to be on the other side, probably over to the right. And then this side is probably going to be more of like having some tools, and then I'm probably going to rearrange and over here kind of have like the welder, eventually a plasma cutter, and some of like the metalworking tools and stuff, and like a more metal workbench over here. So that's going to be how that is. And then right now I just have a ton of scrap metal, and I have like spare parts for like the stuff that's going in this Airstream, as well as stuff off the Land Rover. So that is all this kind of piled up, as well as all this scrap metal over here. And then over here in the far corner, I got zero turn and just some more scrap stuff I need to organize. And kind of like the lawn care corner over there, because I gotta have that stuff for the 5 acres. So that is pretty much the shop as of right now. Like I said, it's a mess. I really want to like clean the floors really good, because I think water got in, and there's like just the real fine dusty dirt in here that is a pain in the butt. So I want to like mop that real good, and probably just do an acid etch on the floor, and then potentially do the epoxy floors. I'm not 100% sure yet what exactly I'm going to do there, but I'm going to definitely do something. And we're going to just do other stuff to make this shop really over the top awesome. I have lots of good plans, so we're working all that. But that is that, and we're going to just be continuing to work on both these Airstreams. I'm going to be jumping back in on the salon one right now and working on the interior walls, and putting all those in. So that video is going to be coming to you in the future, so stay tuned for that awesomeness. And if you haven't already, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Trying to post more on that. So hope you enjoyed this, and we have more Airstream content and more other stuff coming to you. So we'll see you next week.